Good morning, everybody. It is Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I'm actually sitting on the couch right now, but let's take a look at the garden from yesterday afternoon. This mum, the colors are so beautiful, and it was a decorative indoor mum from the year before last. Oh, this little plant needs help. I need to get these in a safer place. And now here are some of the cats. I'm in front of the fireplace this morning. I'm about to work on a fiber arts little book that I'm putting together. I'll show you that in this video, but I really wanted to show you the little junk journal station that I keep at my couch so that I can work on it at night and in the morning during these cold months when the workshop is really cold. This is the journal station or fiber art station. I love this. It's basically a large tackle box. And Jason gave me this when I first started working on jewelry. We've been together about 9 years now. Not quite, but it's getting close. And I said that I would like to have a place to work on my jewelry before I had the workshop. So he gave me this to be able to put everything in and keep it next to the couch. I need to vacuum again. Please overlook all of the little pieces of fiber and lint, and we have cats, so we vacuum every day pretty much. I love that in the top I can stand things, and I change this up all the time. It may have fabric and paper or just fabric. And then over here we have this vintage chocolate box, this beautiful tin, and in there I have needles and threads, and I can change those out as well. I keep these in a box because of the cats. I try so hard to be very careful every time I put a needle or take one away from what I'm working on, that I put it right in there. I have other types of cord and really beautiful bits of yarn and trim. This is some jute. I'm not sure I will use this. I made something yesterday for the workshop, and I will show you that soon. It's just in here for now. But just different types of threads and fibers that I come across and I want to incorporate in my book that I'm making. And then we open this, and I have 3 trays that are adjustable. So just all sorts of things. I have sandpaper if I need it, upholstery trim, really pretty beads, different kinds of charms. That could be stamped on actually. So I have these trays that I can pull from. Oh, I love this. All of the pretty different glass beads. I still have the wire. This still serves as a jewelry station as well. And I do still wrap stones and things. That's one of my favorite things to do as far as jewelry making. And, just bits of metal. That's a tag that I found. It looks like it came off of some luggage or something. Different large glass beads, charms. And here is where I've made a long, section, taking out some of the partitions so that I can put long pieces of paper in. This is for when I'm working on, of course, a paper and fabric journal. I like that these are so adjustable and they hold so much. I like these very large beads to make tassels. I have a tutorial on my channel showing how I make my tassels. Just bits of trim, really pretty yarns, eyelash trim. I'm currently going through this bowl of all sorts of beads to pull things out and get rid of what I don't use, and just still sort of organizing this so it's ready to go And I love that I can just pick this entire case up and take it out to the workshop. But let's look at what I have so far with this mixed fiber art, mixed media art journal that I'm making. The pages, I would say they're about 5 by 5 inches. And it's just all sorts of beads, little pieces of fabric that I like. I just sewed this piece of fabric on last night and then finished it up this morning. And you can see the back of that. And then what I do when I have two complete is stitch them together all the way around. And I will be attaching these to make a book. You could use a book like this to put pins in, like safety pins or straight pins, or decorative brooches, anything like that. This is really pretty. So you can see the different layers of fabric and the pretty trim that's been stitched into place. And then on the other side of that one, you can see all the different beads and eyelash trim, pieces of fabric. These are a lot of fun to work on. It's basically just slow stitching. And here are some items that will be incorporated into this. I found this large thing at the scrap exchange and bought that to go on one of the pages. But it's just a lot of fun, and it's just really satisfying to sit here and make something that is so contained, and it's going to end up being a really beautiful book. I will probably stitch part of this zipper onto one of the pages. I think zippers are fun. Anyway, that is it. You can see how cozy this is with the fire and just the cats hanging out. Vlad has curled up and gone to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back really soon. Bye for now.